Hello, my name is Chong-On. Today I'm presenting for the class JAC 444, Workshop 3. In this task, we write 4 required classes, namely Ticket, Walk-up Ticket, Advanced Ticket, and Student Advanced Ticket. So the latter 3 are all derived classes of tickets, and I also added myself the Ticket Tester class to test all the outputs. In the ticket class, we have the basic class parameters, the basic constructor and getter. So we have the randomized ticket number, I'm explaining this later, and also the get price. Also a basic print function to print a line of number followed by ticket number and price. In the first derived class, walk-up tickets, it means that you are buying a ticket for a campus event on the same day. So it inherits something from the ticket, namely the one arc constructor and also the use of the ticket num here using this keyword super and the overriding get price getter where we hard code the walk-up ticket price. In the advanced ticket, this is another derived class of ticket. We have something else. Here we have the advanced days for the user. We ask the user for inputs and the user inputs how many days before the event. And we have a fixed 10 days. This is for comparison because we have different price. So 10 days or more days before the event, then is 30. And fewer than 10 days, then is 40 per ticket. So we have something similar to walk-up ticket, but instead of just ticket number, we also have the number of days. And other than the ticket number, we also need an extra feature of getting the days, asking the user. And we have another different overriding get price function where we compare the user input and the number of days, which is 10, to return different prices. In student advanced ticket, this is another one, but it's derived from advanced ticket. So here it inherits from advanced tickets, the same stuff, same ticket number and days, but also because it's for student, then we have something different. We have a another overriding get price function to use the same get days, but we use something different because the student prices, they are half. So that's why we have something different here. And we also have an overriding toString function overriding that of the ticket class. We have ID required. And in my tester function, I have the randomizing function here in the constructor to randomize the ticket number. Can be any number basically. And I have a simple menu here for printing the 3 different kinds of tickets, namely walk-up and advanced ticket. We ask for how many days, and for student advanced ticket, the same stuff basically. Very similar across these 2 derived classes. And I also have a try block and catch block for validating inputs. So to test this, so let's say I just buy a walk-up one. So here we go. We buy an advanced ticket, so I say 10 days. So it's a pricier one. And let's say if it's under 9 days, under 10 days, say 9 days, then we have a pricier one. Or if as a student, then the price is different, then we enter something else. Then we have some different input here. Or let's say under 10 days. Then we have another different price. Or let's say I type something else. Okay, valid inputs. Okay, let's type 5. Invalid choice. So it's a very simple one, and we all know what number 4 does. That is to quit the program. Thank you for watching.